We are living in revolutionary times. The world is hyper-connected, machines are smart, and missions to other planets is not science fiction anymore. And if we try to find who makes things happen, all fingers will point towards the software developer. With an ever-increasing demand of developers, assessing the right talent that fits your organization's requirement becomes critical, because selecting the best developers by traditional methods is like assessing someone's linguistic skills by evaluating his handwriting. Existing methods are non-scalable, inaccurate, and often non-conducive, as they can't simulate the pressure situations of real-time working environment with strict deadlines and non-negotiable quality of code. What you need is a real-time code assessment platform that's flexible and readily usable, something that provides instant and credible results. And that's why we developed CodeTrac performance-based coding platform, designed to assess candidates' coding skills and provide on-demand assistance in effective recruitment and performance benchmarking. The platform is flexible, as CodeTrac lets the candidates develop full-stack softwares, evaluating them on database, front-end, and middleware in multiple programming and database languages. So irrespective of how diverse your requirements are, you can create coding assessment for every use case. It's readily usable, as it allows recruiters and project managers to instantly select assessments from a huge repository of intelligently designed programming exercises. They can also create and add their own exercises to simulate real-world work scenarios. And the assessments are highly credible, as all assessments are integrated with customizable unit test cases for evaluation. The system assesses each developer on quality of coding, approach to problem solving, time taken, and adherence to test cases. The platform generates instant performance reports, which can aid your decision-making. CodeTrac, along with MCQ-based domain tests and behavioral tests, can provide unified assessments for assessing candidates' knowledge, skill, ability, and personality. We have the capability to assess developers across a range of technologies. From startups to MNCs, everyone needs software developers. If you too are looking to hire great developers, whether freshers or laterals, CodeTrac is a reliable assessment platform you can get. Brought to you by MeritTrac, simplifying assessments.